Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access lock screen. Now click on screen lock type and tap on the best login method for you, PIN, password or pattern. Then you need to enter it. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then click confirm. Now adjust lock screen notifications by tapping on this switcher to switch them on or off. You can also manage all of those options, like hide content. When you finished, click on Done at the bottom. Select the best option for you in this pop-up. And now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icon's that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!